Okay, we can start the class. Jyotishmita, you can ask the question. Ask any 3 questions.
Okay.
Actually, it should be 3. Okay, Mari and Rinku Moni also, you be prepared with 1 more questions. One questions each. My 2 questions. It was by mistake. Okay, it should be 3 questions each. Okay, Jyotishmita, you can ask
Okay,
any
ma'am.
3 questions.
I want to ask you, Srijana.
Srijana,
Yes, ma'am.
Jyotishmita will ask you 1 question.
In which area does the hukam mainly found?
In the Mediterranean region.
What are the places that we and the places where is it mainly found?
US, America, Africa, Asia, Middle East.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second question.
What are the infections that is mainly found in the human body?
Ka khudiba?
Ma'am, only she.
Srijana. No, same participant
Yes,
no
ma'am.
bo. Belak ka khudiba. No, not you. Ask somebody else,
Okay.
Jyotishmita.
Ma'am, Ayang Saku.
Ayang taku. Ayang taku, unmute yourself. Asan Ayang taku? Network
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
Okay, Jyotishmita will ask you 1 question.
What are the causes of infection in human body? What is the infection that causes in human body?
Ayang taku, say the answer.
If you don't know, then okay, I will answer it.
Ask somebody else, Jyotishmita. Maybe network problem hoise.
Okay. Kajal.
Ask somebody else.
Kajal.
Kajal, Mari, she already asked. You are below khuda.
Ma'am, Miracle.
Miracle. Miracle fan con.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Khuda, Jyotishmita.
What are the types of infection in the human body?
Infection in the human body, it can cause the
No. Tell
this
the
infection of intestine that can cause
no. Tell the name. What that cause an infection? The name.
means like respiratory gastrointestine.
No. No.
Make idea. Tell the answer, Jyotishmita. Maybe she doesn't know the answer.
The infection is the name of the infection is helminthiasis.
Did you get it, Miracle?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name?
Alphelmensis.
Helminthiasis.
Alminthiasis.
Yes, helminthiasis. Okay. Question number 3, Huda. Rishmita.
Ma'am, Moichong.
Moichong. Moichong is present. Moichong nice again. Ask somebody else. Sachi. Sachi.
Ma'am.
Okay, Jyotishmita, ask.
What are the symptoms when a hookworm infects?
Repeat the question.
What are the symptoms when a hookworm infects a human body?
Infection.
Mm-hmm.
Abdominal pain and weight loss,
Yeah.
diarrhea.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so good. Mari, asano, Mari.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ask one more question. You asked only 2 questions, na? Ask one last question.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, Ashri Debarma.
Ashri. Ashri Debarma.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashri's, yeah. Okay, ask Mari, ask.
Can you say the cause of hookworm? How hookworm cause?
Cause of hookworm.
Yes.
By walking in barefoot on consummate thread.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay.
Yes,
Rinku
ma'am.
Moni. Rinku.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ask one last question.
Tanu.
Tanu. Tanu Gurung. Tanu Gurung is present or not? Okay, ask somebody else. Rinku. Wan Rihun. Okay. Ask.
Tell me one characteristics. Any one characteristics.
One characteristic. Repeat again your question.
Tell me any one characteristics of hookworm.
Answer, Wanri, if you know or not.
Ma'am, I forgot, ma'am.
You don't know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You answer, Rinku.
Hookworms are found in the Mediterranean region, South Asia, Southeast Asia, scattered in the Southern America.
Ito characteristics নহয় to. Ito characteristics হয় niki?
Oh, ma'am, what characteristics?
Hookworms are. Into the first point, iman accurate no. Characteristics means hookworm or characteristics. Itu South America, eba kibi Asia, ebo to characteristics of hookworm no ito. It should be places where hookworms are found, mostly prevalent. Teneko hobo pare question to. Characteristics means hookworm or characteristics. They have well-developed mouth with 2 pairs of teeth. The males are bigger in size, so then 1 centimeter by 0.5 millimeter. All these are the characteristics. Kintu first point to accurate no hoy for characteristics. You can say that the other points. Okay, that they have well-developed mouth. Ebur hobo characteristics. First point is not accurate. So to me, kwa answer to kwa? Characteristics of
They have well developed mouths with 2 pairs teeth.
Yeah, so this is the characteristic of a hookworm, and also the centimeter, millimeter, ebur characteristics hoy. Okay. So okay, as a whole, it was a good presentation, good seminar. Okay, Rinkumoni, Mari, Jyotishmita all have put efforts, but Jyotishmita have put a little bit less effort. A4 size paper, but as compared to your friends, because they have taken the pain of buying a chart paper that akibo lage, likhibo lage, so they have done something. Okay, Jyotishmita also she did, no doubt, into A4 size paper likhne, so it's a very easy thing. Anybody can write, right, Jyotishmita? But as a whole, explanation, question, answer, okay, group discussion, everything was good. Okay, for all the 3 of you, everything was good. But just effort wise, dekhile, Rinkumoni and Mari, they have done a little bit effort more than Jyotishmita. Although I have said that you can use anything, but it should come from your own mind that what should I do to make it more creative and more lively and more good? How can I present it more better? Okay, it should come from yourself, from within. What should I do? Like Srijana, she didn't even ask me, but she have used slides in her phone. So these are a little bit efforts. Okay, Jyotishmita. But as a whole, it was a very good seminar, I will say. Okay, and the topic is also interesting, hookworm. Okay, it is. Yeah. As a whole, it is a very interesting and a good topic, hookworm. And it is mainly prevalent in most of the developing and underdeveloped countries. You will get the cases of hookworm. Okay, even little children, they suffer from hookworm infections. Okay, and hygiene should be maintained. Hygiene is very much important. So we are discussing about hygiene in PSM theory. So it is a very important, easy, but kintu it's an important topic, hygiene. Okay, so all these are related to each other. So I think we have one more seminar, that is Kajal Kumari, then Tana and Sonali Riyang. Kajal, do you have your seminar today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I think I have some work. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I will take your seminar in the evening time. Is it okay for all of you? After 5?
Ma'am, actually, मैम मैं घर के लिए निकल रही हूँ शाम को.
शाम को घर के लिए निकल रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने बजे पहुंचोगे घर?
Tomorrow 9 AM.
ओ तुम डाउनटाउन यूनिवर्सिटी पे हो ना? तुम गुवाहाटी पे हो ना?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. अच्छा, okay. For taking you took your mark sheets already? Bona fide and all everything? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are with whom? Tana and Sonali?
Actually, ma'am, मैं अकेली कर रही हूँ, दोनों नहीं कर रही.
दोनों नहीं कर रहे क्यों?
पता नहीं मैम.
ठीक है, होगा, कोई बात नहीं, वो लोग को 0 मिलेगा. तुम स्टार्ट करो फिर. तुम्हारा टॉपिक क्या था? इबोला वायरस.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, वैसे भी all these marks are given individually. Okay, topic to eta होगा पारे. Topic can be 1. Okay, maybe divided into 3 person, but as a whole you will get marks alone. Your other friends, out of 20, how much you need to get? You will get that much only. And your other friends, they will get 0. Okay, you can start with your topic.
Good morning, ma'am.
and good morning, my dear friends. So let's start my seminar. My seminar topic is Ebola virus. So Ebola virus is also called as Ebola hemorrhagic fever, a virus that causes severe bleeding, organ failure, and can lead to death. Ebola virus is a single-stranded RNA virus, member of Ebola virus genes in the Filovirdia family of virus. First identified in human in 1976 in the Democratic Republic of the Congo near the Ebola River. Some clinical presentation about Ebola virus. Incubation period 8 to 10 days, causes a viral hemorrhagic fever with sudden onset, non-specific symptoms like fever, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache. Symptoms of severe diseases, hemorrhagic symptoms, multi-organ dysfunction. Fatality rate can range from 40 to 90%. And fact about Ebola virus, like you can't get Ebola through air, you can't get Ebola through food and water also. Transmission, natural reservoir remain unconfirmed. Genetic birds, non-human primates. Human-to-human transmission by direct contact with body fluids, blood-borne. Ebola virus is a readily transmitted through airborne route or injection. Treatment of Ebola virus, no specific antiviral treatment. Important to exclude other infections, example malaria. Supportive and systematic care only. Electrolyte and fluid balance, maintaining oxygen level and blood pressure. Prevention. There is no vaccine available on that time, but recently the USA Food and Drug Administration, FDA, approved the Ebola virus vaccine, RVSV, ZEBOV. Trade name, Arbio. On December 19, 2019. The vaccine is a single-dose vaccine regime that has been found to be safe, protective against only the Ebola virus, species of Ebola viruses. Risk of outbreak in the United States is small. Small. So, thank you, ma'am.
Finish? Okay.
That much only.
Okay. So now, anyone is there who have any doubts regarding the topic? You can ask Kajal. Any doubt? No doubts. Okay. So Kajal, you can ask them questions. Ask anyone. Any 3 questions.
Sachi.
Sachi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ask Kajal.
Can you please tell me the causes and symptoms of Ebola virus?
Causes of Ebola virus is headache, nausea, diarrhea, and system is hemorrhagic system and multi-organ dysfunction.
Don't show the slides. Don't show the chart papers. Okay. Second question. To whom you want to ask?
Jyotismita.
Jyotishmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask Kajal.
Who approved the Ebola vaccine? Who approved the Ebola vaccine?
Ebola vaccine. Don't know. I don't know it.
Okay, you answer Kajal.
The USA Food and Drug Administration.
Okay. Who is it, Jyotishmita?
Ma'am, wait. In USA or Kajal USA और क्या था?
Drug Administration.
USA Drug Administration.
Okay, USA Drug Administration.
Yes, okay. Okay. Ask question number 3, Kajal, to anyone. Ask boys also. They are simply sitting.
Gore.
Gore.
No, I think he's absent.
Okay. Ask others.
Lobsang.
Lobsang. Lobsang is there or not? Unmute yourself. Maybe network issues. You ask somebody else?
Srijana.
Srijana?
Yes, ma'am.
Kajal ask.
Sorry. Srijana, name the Ebola vaccine.
Ebola vaccine. Do you know, Jyotishmita?
No, ma'am.
Answer. What is the answer?
RVSB Zibo. Zbo.
RB.
SB. Ma'am, how to pronounce ZEVBOV?
ZEBOV.
Yes, ma'am.
Zevo.
RVSB Zebo.
Okay.
Okay, what is it, Srijana?
RBSB Jebo.
Okay. Okay, so, okay, Kajal. It was a good presentation only. Okay. It was not bad. But your other participants, they have not participated. It's okay. No problem. So in the next class, tomorrow we will discuss with another topics. Okay. And all of you try to do your presentation a bit better. Okay. It is good, but you should try more to make it more interesting. Okay. And even the participants also, you should participate. You should ask questions. Okay, it's more interesting when there is a group discussion. So you all should also ask questions. Okay, because all this will also affect their marks. If you ask them question and if they are not able to answer, their marks will automatically get deducted. Okay, because they will be the master of that topic, and if they don't know about the topic properly, then obviously their marks will be deducted. So you all have the benefits of asking them questions. Okay, so Kajal, it's okay. Overall, it was a good performance. Okay, with the chart papers and all that, it's good. Okay, and safe journey for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay, thank you to all of you. You all can leave the meeting. Just give me the attendance, okay, of both the sections. Thank you.
Ma'am, the attendance.